So, for the third problem, okay, this is now our third problem for our basic integration playlist or series, I mean. So, ang third problem is evaluate the integral of x plus 1 raised to 2 over 2x squared. Oops, I forgot the dx. There's dx pala. Ayan, okay. So, first, the same sa kanina, di ba? We have a tawag nito. Meron tayong expression na naka-raise sa 2 or need expand. So, itong numerator natin, nito, first is expand natin siya. Again, the same kanina using a FOIL method. So, type ko lang to, x plus 1, and then x plus 1. Oops. Diba, ganyan siya. Okay? Next is, distribute natin using FOIL method. So, this will become x times x plus x times 1, so x lang, plus also x times 1 is still x, and plus 1 times 1 is 1. So, i-simplify lang natin tong x times x. This will become x squared, right? So, magiging x squared to. And then, may dalawang x. So, x plus x. So, meron yung coefficient na 1. So, 1 plus 1 is 2x. Or simply 2x. And lastly is 1. So, therefore, our integral will become like this. So, integral of, so may fraction tayo. Just copy this one. Oops. Just copy this. Over 2x squared. Dx. Okay? And next, di ba kapag meron tayong monomial like sa denominator, so, etong fraction is, pwede natin siya i-split as 2 fractions. Okay? So, this will become, since meron siyang tatlong terms sa numerator, so, pwede siyang i-split as 3 fractions. So, first fraction will become x squared over 2x squared, okay? X squared plus, plus, and don't forget the dx wala. Forgot. The integral of 2x over 2x squared. Okay? Then, lastly, dx or dx. Integral of 1, or simply dx na lang dito, over this 2x squared. Okay? So, let us simplify. So, sa first term, meron tayong x squared over 2x. So, that will become, so, makakancel sino? Si x squared. Diba? So, matitira lang is just 1/2. So, since 1/2 is a constant, so, labas ko na lang siya. So, dito ko na lang siya ilagay. Okay? And then, magiging dx na lang. Plus, dito naman, 2x over 2x squared. So, si 2 makakancel along with x over x. Itong x squared over x, okay? So, magiging integral ng dx over x. And for the last term, so since ito wala siyang ma-simplify, pero may constant siya na 1/2, labas ko to. So, magiging ganito, 1/2. Okay, itong 1 over 2, kaya siya 1/2, okay? And then integral ng, And yung x squared, guys, gawin ko na lang siyang negative exponent. So, kapag nilagay mo siya sa taas, this will become x raised to negative 2 and then dx. Okay? Oops, dx. And let's just apply formulas ng basic integration. So, this will become first, integral ng dx is just x. Okay? So, magiging x plus, for this integral, it is just equals to ln of x. Okay? And then plus 1/2 times, we have times x raised to negative 2, x raised to negative 2 plus 1 over negative 2 plus 1. And since we are done integrating, mag-a-add na tayo ng c. Okay? Next, so meron pang masisimplify. Itong last term, okay? Simplify natin yan. It will become, I will just copy na lang this. And then this one. This one na lang. Yan. And it will become x raised to negative 1, diba? Over negative 1 and then plus c. After, is ibaba mo to si x raised to negative 1 para maging positive yung exponent. So this will become, copy ko na lang to lahat. Baba ko to. So magiging 1. And then dito, since may negative, guys, diba magiging negative na yan. Gawin ko ng negative, and then this one is x. Okay? X. Yun. So, since wala na masisimplify, so therefore, this is now our final answer. Okay? So, for the next problem, problem 4, I will upload later. Thank you.